Like from there, yes. And hold your arm a little bit more extended. Oh, fuck. Dive in.
Yeah, go. Waterproof?
No.
You sure that's not going to be alright?
No, it's not going to work. That's really annoying. That's the second time that's happened to me with one of these drones. Because I was flying it and it just
Turned off.
yeah.
Well, I got it.
Fuck! You got that was on film.
Yeah.
Damn it. So what we can do? Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. What we can do, we'll just reset when we get out here. This thing has a mind of its own. Can I have a drive? Okay. This is cool. That wasn't supposed to happen. Not my fault. DJI. Bloody hell. Anyway, second time that's happened. Ladies and gents, we're in Thailand. This is Bill.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to do this with us. So, this is called a longboat.
Yes.
All right. I would love to learn, and I hope you guys would like to learn how to drive a longboat. And can you explain to me what's happening here? What sort of engine is this?
This engine, Toyota.
Toyota.
Yeah.
So from a car?
Yeah, for the car, made in Japan.
Made in Japan.
Yes.
So air cooled.
Yes.
Fantastic. And so you're mounting the engine just on a swivel point
Yes.
back here. So we can go left, right,
Yes.
up, down.
Yes. Left, right, up and down.
Okay. So can you explain to me, I might even focus in your closer to you. Can you explain what is the process to start this engine and how do we drive the boat?
Okay, the first time when you start, you can check the water for the engine.
Yep.
Have the water or not. Can now full water. Okay.
Oh, right.
But when no have water, you can put your water
Okay.
in the engine. Okay.
So you have made a custom stainless steel reservoir
Yeah.
for the cooling.
Yes. For
Uh,
the cooling.
So that's marinized. You've made that for the boat.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay. The first time when the water have or not, you can look first.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And number two, the oil.
The oil?
Check the oil.
Yep.
Like this. Just check the oil first.
Got water.
Yeah.
Check oil.
Now okay.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Yep.
Put it down.
Next step.
Step the key.
Yep.
When you start, you can start.
Power. Okay, so it must be in neutral.
Yeah.
So the gear must be in neutral
Yeah,
because
yeah,
the propeller's
yeah.
not turning.
The gear same in the car.
Okay.
This one like a N.
So forward is forward.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. You can move your behind like this.
Yes.
Go forward.
And it'll go forward.
Yes.
Okay, so no reverse gear.
Yeah.
Just the one gear, is
yes,
it?
just the one gear.
One gear.
Yes.
So to reverse on this boat,
Yes.
what do we do?
Stop.
Turn.
Okay.
Yep.
When you want to go behind, you can move forward like this.
Okay. So we have reverse gear. Nice.
Yes.
So show me the throttle. Which one is the throttle for that's gear?
Yes.
Is this throttle?
This is power.
That's power. Okay. So do you just put your hand on this
Yes.
for power?
When you want to fly, you can put your hand.
Okay.
Finger.
And then you can feel it. So when you release,
Yes.
that's how
Yes.
you
Yes.
less power, more power.
Yes.
Okay.
When you go the long way, just like this.
Yep.
Lock your power like this.
Okay. Oh, you lock.
Ah.
Very simple.
Yes.
Yeah, good. So if you see a turtle and you don't want to hit the turtle, do you just push down
Yeah.
to protect the turtle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or the tourist? Maybe tourists more
Yeah.
important. Yeah. So tell me the design of this hull of this boat. It's all wooden, all wood, no metal.
About the metal about maybe 9 or 10 meters.
9 or 10 meters in the middle, in the keel.
Yeah, in the middle.
Do we have a long piece of timber down the bottom, like a keel?
Yeah, had the long.
Okay. Flat bottom? Flat? Or like a shape, like this? A little bit of shape.
Yeah.
Okay, can you drive?
Yeah.
We go for a drive and let's show the viewers. You do everything that we just spoke about. We'll sit back here and stay out of your way. Okay, so he's just taken the I guess we're going to call this the tiller out of the rope. You hold on, Chris, make sure you're not going to go in the drink.
This is my control.
Now, what is that?
This is my control.
Control. So,
If you want to go, you can look the forward.
yep.
Look the forward. When you go like this,
Yes.
look forward straight. When you go to the right side, you can enter control.
Oh, so it's a rudder.
Yeah.
So this is a rudder?
Yeah.
So we have a rudder, so it's not
Left side.
left side, back left, forward, right. So we can steer a little bit with the motor, but more steering with the rudder.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, show us how to do it. We're holding on. So one of the things I'm observing right now, the motor is just freely moving as we go through the swell here, and all the control really is just with the rudder. You can see the engine just doing its own thing, and because that prop is like 10-15 feet off the back of the boat, it's just trailing behind the boat. There's no problems, and it's just staying in the water by its own weight. So it's just it's a long shaft with two supporting rods on above and below the shaft, basically, and then it's just got a prop protector, and it cavitates a little bit at times when we come through the swell. We're probably doing about 10 knots. This is not bad. And the ride's super smooth. I wish I could show you with my bloody drone. Anyway, that's not going to happen today. So, hey Chris, look forward and show everyone what we're seeing. She's a great hull, this thing. Like, we could probably get 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people would you have on this boat? 6 people. 6 people. What about some big belly man? You'd say, oh no, only 4 for you and your friends. I saw some big bellies on the beach today. Too many beers. Awesome. So, can I have a drive? Okay. So we'll slow down, we'll stop the boat, and I'll try and copy what you just taught me. And tell me if I forget something. Okay, I'm just going to put that there. I hope this microphone's working. Okay. Okay, so this is my tiller.
Yes.
This is my power.
Yes.
Power on, power off.
Yes.
And then I check water.
Water.
I've got water.
Yes.
We check oil. We've already checked the oil, but we know we have oil just here. Check neutral, and is this forward?
Yes.
That's power, and then that's reverse, and this is forward.
Yes.
Okay.
This forward.
Back is forward.
Yes.
Okay, and then let me just grab the tiller. So the tiller lives in here, comes out, goes where Chris is, and it goes on here. And so forward was right,
Yes.
center, left.
Yes.
And that's my maximum rudder travel there. So all the way right, center, left. Okay, so I'm gonna have a go. So all clear. No one around me. This is cool. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to put the rudder in.
Yeah. Yes.
Put the rudder in. And then I'm going to push down,
Roll.
push here, but being careful to not push on the throttle just yet.
Okay.
Okay, now I have this, and I'm gonna... Oh, you've really got to hold it, don't you? Okay, so I've got to put it in. Actually, that's...
Okay, this one you can
I need
put
to put this
okay,
back.
yeah.
Yeah, I think I need to do this first and get moving. So
This one, now.
that's going behind.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
When you change your gear, you can after this.
Ah,
When you
okay.
change your gear, you can like this
Put like that.
and move your gear like this.
Okay, so then you don't have too much pressure
Ah,
on the prop.
okay. This one.
Okay, I'm learning. So I'm going to get a good stance, and I'm just going to feel the power first.
Yeah. And only one finger.
Only one finger. Okay, better control. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's much better, because then I can release with my thumb, and I can still feel it.
And about 10 years ago, no have the control.
No have, really?
Only your body.
So you're very strong.
Yeah, only your body.
So you're very, very strong.
Yes.
Okay. So just the boat reacts. Oh, this is a totally different sensation. So much going on here with the center of gravity of the boat. I've got some waves on my port bow right now, and feeling how this motor just wants to run freely.
Okay, this one you can lock your.
I'm going to lock
like
it.
this.
Okay, you do that for me because I don't want to. Okay, so it's just a twist.
Okay. Behind.
Okay.
Only control only the.
So now I feel like I want to hold on. Can I go down swell? Can I go to starboard?
Just go slowly.
We'll go slowly.
Move slowly.
Okay. So now, Chris, have a look forward. Show everyone.
Then move back.
Woo.
Back. Your control back. Come behind. Your control come behind.
Too fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. This is. So what just happened there? The.
Control.
So the boat wants to go. You actually have to ease it quite slowly, because I can feel a lot of pressure right now on the prop wanting to push me off the boat, essentially. So if I felt too much, I would actually send my body forward. I think I can feel it really pushing on my right hand right now, and you can also feel the, oh, that's almost pushing me off the boat. Wow, look at that. I'm going to stand in front of that. Okay, now we're going. I don't think I would have the nerves to drive this boat fast just yet. I would need more practice. Totally need more practice. So is this good? Am I okay? Yeah, we're not going fast today. This is quite complicated. So going through the wave. Okay, free. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to ease the power off there, guys. I felt myself getting out of control. Okay. The tiller really wants to take over you. When the boat has some momentum, it really sort of takes over. Let's slow that down. Okay, let's stop the boat.
When you stop the boat, then. Okay.
Okay.
When you stop,
Push it down, and then.
okay.
Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. This is like nothing I've experienced before driving a boat. I feel like you have to be very strong and controlled, because if you don't understand the power here and the momentum plus the feeling of the boat, it's going to throw you in the drink. That's a problem if you got customers. No, wait for me. I love it. Oi, you taught me so much. Thank you so much. That was awesome. I'm going to come back to Thailand another day. I want to learn in the future how to go full speed. One day, not today. Legends. I'll see you in the next one, guys. That was so much fun. So I have a whole new level of respect for all these Thai longboat drivers. This thing has a mind of its own. If you don't know how to control one of these, it seriously, I think, would just throw you off the boat. You've got the movement of the boat, you've got the torque of the motor, and the prop warp wanting to spin the whole thing. It's like nothing I've experienced before, and watching the guys drive at speed, combining it with the rudder movement, it's a bit of a dance. Full respect to everyone in Thailand who's driving one of these things. I look forward to the day when I can drive like you, but today, it's not the case. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Here we are, guys, just getting lessons on how to drive a long-tail boat. It's actually a lot harder than it looks. Check this out. Woo!